Alright guys, what is up? It is the stream manager from Team Caladrius, Pineapple Sandwich here, and today we are going to be talking about the channel trailer. So, we already did a video this year about the channel trailer, however, Twitch changed some stuff up, and now some of the stuff in that video isn't accurate. So, here's an updated way on how you can add a channel trailer to your channel. However, you do have to be affiliate to be able to do this. So let's get into it. All right, here we are. Here is the front page of Twitch. And what we are going to do is we are going to start off by clicking on our picture. And then we're going to go down to video producer. Once we're at video producer, we are going to upload our channel trailer. Whatever channel trailer that you have edited, you can get an editor on Fiverr or whatever, or if you already have one, that's amazing, or if you edit yourself. So whatever video you have that you want for your channel trailer, you're just gonna upload it. I already have mine uploaded, so I don't need to upload it, but you just browse for whatever video you want and you just upload it. And once you have that done, you are going to again click on your picture and go to your channel. I deleted my channel trailer so I can show you guys how to do this step by step. So next we are going to click on set up channel trailer. And it brings you to this. It brings you to this menu. So what you're going to do is you're going to be like, yeah, I got it, let's go. And then it'll show you some videos that you uploaded. Then you're going to want to select your channel trailer. So I think this is the one that I have. And then you could change the title of it, you could change the thumbnail of it, the language, and set as channel trailer. And also what you can do is, if you want, you could go to your settings and channel, and if you go to featured content, you can also change your channel trailer here. So see, it's here. So if I go back to my channel, but yeah, so that is how you add a channel trailer to your channel. I do highly suggest this for any affiliate because it brings people to your channel. If people like your channel trailer, they're more likely to follow and catch you when you're live. But as for this video, that is all we got to talk about, and I will see you guys later. Wait, before we go, I may have forgot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all that fun jazz, and we will see you guys next time.